Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here today to share a unboxing from Your Creative Studio. I've done one of these before and they send them out to quite a lot of people on YouTube just to help their small business, and I do like promoting small sellers and smaller crafty businesses rather than just the big ones. So I have no idea what's in this box. I think from the label it says I've been sent April's, so whether it'll still be available on the site I'm not sure, but it's indicative of the quality and the amount of things that you get in there for your money. I love this paper. The last time they sent me one I saved it, I opened it carefully, I saved it, and I actually used the paper as a journal page in one of my journals. So I'm going to cut that label very carefully. It's all nicely packaged. You get it in this lovely sturdy box. You know, you've got all your branding and your labelling and your little thank you card. It's lovely. They're nice to open, and I think you can buy them monthly, or you know, you can subscribe to get them on a regular basis, so that it's just a little gift through your door. You know, every month on a regular basis kind of thing. So I will find the website link and leave it in the description below. So let's have a look at what we've got here. So everything does come nicely packaged, again with all of the labelling on. This says it's a wooden stamp. This is a wood mount stamp. So that's nice, isn't it? So that's like a little pull cart with all flowers in. That's cute, I like that. Nice red rubber, nice quality. That's lovely. Okay. And then here it looks like we've got another wooden stamp here. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, that's nice. That's like a jug to the side, or a picture with like roses. That's lovely. That's really lovely. So it's kind of like, almost like, I'm not sure what the theme for this one is yet, but these look almost like country garden, don't they? So let's keep looking, and the theme will show itself. So here's a lovely washi tape. Let's have a look. What does it say? It doesn't say anything. Let's open it and have a look. So I have been away recently visiting my friend Kate, and she actually was subscribed for, I think she did 12 months subscription, and she's like kept every one, and you know, and whatever have you, and every single one I have to say is as good, and the same amount of items and good quality. Can I find the end of this? Can I, Echoes? And good quality, and you know, really nice things, really useful things. Well, this would be useful if I could find the end. Is that it? There we go. So this is nice because I can immediately see that it's like perforated between each section, like it is. Yeah, look, it's like tickets, like washi tape tickets. If I can pull it without ripping it. So can you see there with the perforation and then the ticket shape down the side? So those are lovely, aren't they? Like roses and things like that. Nice pinks. Oh, I like that. Pink, but not too pink. Okay, what's this one? So these are like faux stamps, and they are floral. How many do you get in there? Does it tell you? 46. And they are stickers as well, which is good because you don't even have to glue them on then. You just peel the back and stick them on, and that card at the back there I would use as a journaling card. So yeah, these are nice. Those are lovely. So you peel the back off, and they're self-adhesive. 46 different ones. Brilliant for your collaging and your layering, or you know, if you just want to fill a little bit of a tag or a page. Those are nice. And like I say, the packaging's useful because you can use that as a tag. Beautiful. What's this one here? Bunches of flowers. So these are 30 pieces in here again. So it's obviously to do with flowers. Maybe this one, floral theme, or maybe like country garden or something, I don't know. But here, look at that, you've got like a little pressed, that's like a little real pressed flower, is that? That's cute. And then these are like little vellum stickers. I've got flowers on there. These are lovely, and you're getting an assortment, you see. Not everyone's the same. And then these are like round ones. And there's, I've got lilies on. Little bits of, so like little bits of paper, and then the stickers so you can make your own little collage. Those are pretty. I'll have to do a quick little project maybe by using them. Like a little collage in my collage book or something. Look at all of those pieces you get in there. Just pick the rose of life today, don't wait for tomorrow. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? And then some little cards there. Those are lovely, I like those. And that's cute with that little... Where's that other one gone? I don't want to lose any. With the little dried flowers there, those are lovely. How cute. I'll put those away in a minute. Okay, what else we got? There's so much in here. So yeah, I think it's like a country garden theme. So here we go. Peel the individual stamp from backing, stick it to an acrylic block and stamp. So this is in a nice little wallet for you to save. And here, look, you've got a like gardening theme, gardening tools, and a little gardening bonnet, and some gloves, and some little stamps, and some pruners. They're cute. Those are nice. Lovely. What's in this one? Ooh, these are cute. So these are like little stickers. I can't think of the name of those kind of leaves. They look a little bit like succulents. Those are nice, aren't they? So yeah, I think I'll do a collage page. And then we've got some sticky notes. These are cute. With the little watering can and flowers. Are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same, but those are lovely. So you could use those as a layer on a collage. If you are somebody that journals daily and actually writes in your journal daily, then that'd be fabulous. Stick that there. What else we got? What else we got? There's so much in these. I don't know how they do it for what they charge, because the price is very reasonable. Very reasonable. So we've got some more like paper ephemera. So these are like, I've seen this kind of thing before from Your Creative Studio in like butterfly themed kits. They've got butterfly shaped ones, and they're like sturdy bits of card. These are great because you can just tuck them in pockets as little bits of interesting ephemera to look at. I like the Tim Holtz slattered pocket, and I like to fill them with lots of little things for the journal owner to pick out and have a look at. You can journal on the back, but also you can use these and you can glue them just on, like, you know, pretend you're gluing on two sides, and then it could be a little tuck to tuck other things in, or again for a collage, and they're all different. You've got those larger ones, we've got some little gnomes, and we've got some, you know, little implements there, gardening theme. They're cute. I like the wellies. I like those. Those are lovely. So if you're doing a nature theme maybe, or a gardening journal, or just anything really, they'll go in just about any theme. Okay, what else have we got? It's like they're like a TARDIS, these boxes. The amount of things that are in them is absolutely unbelievable. What we've got here, so here we've got some little stickers. So these match these, so you've got good coordination in these kits as well. You know, it's not just randomly put together, it's carefully thought out, and the things match each other. So those are lovely little stickers, and again you've got your brand in there. Those are lovely. And then this looks like some little papers, again for collage. I'm going to have to do a collage in my collage journal, I think. A lot of people are doing an index challenge at the moment, index card challenge. You could use these on that kind of thing. And again, I'd probably pinch this and use it as a journaling card. So here are they're like thin papers, which are lovely, like Mr. Snail there. All different. Oh, look at that. These are lovely. Really pretty. And then at the back there you've got some almost like vellum style ones, thinner. Those are really nice. And they're not too big, they're just perfect for collage so that you're not going to get loads of waste. I like those are really lovely. And what's here? What's this one? Oh, is this like, I think this might be rice paper. Let me have a look. See if I can open it. Or a napkin. Let's have a look. And again, it matches. Yeah, it's rice paper. How lovely is that? So this is for like decoupage, like your napkins. And it's lovely, lovely, fine rice paper in the same theme, that gardening. That's really pretty. So you're getting a lot for your money there, aren't you? And you're getting a little bit of everything. You're getting some rice paper, you're getting some stickers, you're getting stamps, you're getting washi tape. So if you're somebody that doesn't have a big stash as well, these are perfect because you're getting a little bit of everything without having to spend years and a fortune collecting things. So that's a really good added bonus of these kits, is that you are getting a little bit of everything. And don't forget, if I can get that back in, those are really pretty. And the rice paper's perfect to stick down as your background because you know, it's then going to give you like an opaque kind of a, no, not opaque, a see-through kind of a look for you to then build your collaging on, or your page decoration or whatever. And don't forget to use this beautiful paper. Absolutely love this. It makes lovely journal pages. So let's have a look how many items we've got in this kit. So we've got the rice paper, that's one. We had these little elements, that's two. Two stamps, 3, 4. We had those papers, 5. Stickers, 6. All of those ephemeras, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stamp set, 11. It's never ending. 12. So you've got 12 different packets there. I don't think I've missed anything. And they're not just little bits of things, they're significant amounts of product in there for you to use. So your money goes a long, long way with these. So I'll have a little think and I'll come up with a little video of what you could do with these. So visit the link in the description box below and have a look and see if you fancy grabbing yourself one of these, because they are very, very good value for money. Just bear in mind that this exact one that I'm showing you might not be available, but they are all equally as good. Like I say, I've seen the last 12 months of these boxes at my friend's house and they're all equally as stunning as this one. So you can be guaranteed whichever month you purchase, it's going to be awesome. So there you go, that's April's Your Creative Studio kit. Stunning as always. I don't know how they do it for the money. And I'll go away and have a think what we can do. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.